Hello fellow bettors. I just noticed that several bettors have been into my inbox seeking for some explanations of the soccer betting odds. So for this video, the platform we are going to be using is 1xBet, because I'm sure this is popular across several countries and the options here are well detailed and easily understandable for everyone. Yesterday, our sure predictions odds did not work as planned, since Bournemouth, a single game that made things unbearable for us. Bournemouth was unable to score, but that's not what brings us here. Today, let's take a look. We are diving straight into soccer bets explained, soccer betting options explained. So if you are a newbie here, be sure you go after this video. You will have many options to keep for yourself. So let us get started. And for this illustration, we are taking the Arsenal game as example. Okay, and have in mind that since you are a newbie, I'm going to be taking only the options that are actually easy to understand for a beginner. And I guess with time, I will make this a course. So I will be uploading videos regularly about this. And if you find this really interesting, you can give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and follow for more tips. So let's get started with the basic odds. Okay, as earlier said, the first option, and probably the one every new bettor should consider, is win 1, W1, X, which stands for draw, and win 2, which stands for away team to win. Win 1 simply means Arsenal, which is the home team, wins the game, and draw, which is easily understandable for each and every one, means the match will end on a draw bet, either 0-0, 1-1, 2-2, or every draw score. And win 2, you can see the odds is way more higher than the home team's odds, 7.9. This is because the home team is considered as the favorite team to win the game. So if you go for the away team to win the game, you have a higher odds. But our video today is not about telling you what lies behind the odds, but actually making you understand the options behind each and every odd. Okay, the next easily understandable option is 1x, 12, and 2x. 1x stands for home team wins or draw, so any score in Arsenal's favor, 2-1, 2-0, 2-2, 1-0, as long as Arsenal has not lost the game, then your bet slip is still much more alive. 12. This 12 simply means that any team should win the game. The only score that can send your bet slip into water is a draw game. So this 12 means any team can win, either Arsenal wins or Brentford wins, and you are good to go. 2x stand for Brentford wins or draw. So either Brentford wins or draw the game. Those are the only two options you have. Our next option, which is easily understandable by new bettors, it is the both team to score option. Both team to score, yes. Both team to score, no. It is clear, right? Both team to score, yes. That means Arsenal will score, Brentford will equally score. So the score can be 1-1, 2-2, 2-1, 3-1, or anyone. Both teams to score, no. Here, the score should be in anyone's favor, but both teams should not score. That's 2-0 in favor of Arsenal, 2-0 in favor of Brentford, or 1-0 in favor of Arsenal, or 1-0 in favor of Brentford. Any score, as long as the both teams did not score, is totally okay. Okay, don't mind me skipping some options. I told you this video is mainly for the beginners, so I'm going to focus on odds which are easily understandable. So our next range of odds has to do with the total number of goals. You can clearly see here over 0.5 or under 0.5, or over 1 or under 1. So if you're not clear on this, over 0.5 actually means that there will be at least a single goal in the game. You can see the odds is very small because this option has a very high probability to heal. So that's why you see the odds is very, very small. And you can see on the other hand, under 0.5 goal, which stands at odd 11, because this option is likely not to occur. Arsenal will probably score or Brentford will score. The next option is over 1. Over 1 as in over 1. The option is still small because the option is likely to occur. But this option is different from over 0.5 in the sense that if only a single goal is scored, then your bet will be refunded. The bookie will not make any gain, and you either will not make any gain with the over 1. On the other hand, the under 1 stands for if a single goal is scored, the money will be refunded to you and the bookie's money will also be refunded. So the only option which can be valid for you here is a 0-0 score for you to fully cash out on this bet. The next option, which is also one of my favorite, is over 1.5 goal. Footballers, their main aim and their main target is to score on every game. So I believe this over 1.5 bet is actually a good one. You can see under 1.5 the odds are also high because it is likely not to occur. So just apply the same sense going down. Here is over 2, which means the score should be above 2 goals. If it ends at 2 goals, your money is refunded. In order to make this much more comprehensive, we decided to make shorter videos. So we will try to be uploading as regular as possible. So for now, I believe we should base on these options and try to comprehend them. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share as we will be uploading our next video about soccer betting options soon. Thanks for watching.